So guys, welcome to study B.A.S YouTube channel. Now you can I told you how to delete discover virus. So this video created in English and my another video created in Single. And first you go search bar type great discover virus. No, task manager. Okay, search task manager and open task manager. Okay, and you can see, scroll down and you can see great discover. You can see great discover virus. Okay, you can see it. This is a virus and malware. This virus collect our personal information and send to creators company. So right click it and click open file location, friends. Okay, you can see file location. Remember it, please remember it. B.A.S software OI, remember it. It's named B.A.S software OI. So okay, B.A.S software OI, it's a virus, and we open VoiceForce deleter. It's an external deleter, link in description. You download it and remember the file location and open VoiceForce deleter. Okay, click add folder. So I select local disk C and okay, program files, B.A.S software OI. Okay, this is a folder and click OK. Follow these steps and click yes. Okay, click yes and unlock and delete. Click unlock and delete. Follow these steps. So okay, unlock and delete. You can see background not run the great discover. You can see, and this is a virus. I search in Google it. You can see it. Great discover is a virus. Great discover collect our personal data and give to creators company. So I think it's named B.A.S software OI. So you can see this. Google says it's a virus, so you can delete it. So I think you are deleted it. You can deleted it. So subscribe our channel, like. You have problem, comment.